Hey, I wasn't able to get a video out this month, so here's an old video that fell through. Excuse the poor quality, I've lost all the project files and I cannot increase the quality. Enjoy.
No, I'm dead. There is no parkour there.
Venting sequence. Yes, there is.
Oh, this is a
Initiate venting
parkour.
sequence.
All three of us have to do it.
All three of us have to post it at once.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I was a bit behind there, but... You pushed me over! You can't! Oh.
No, that wasn't a push-up. That was instant drop.
Okay.
3.
I don't
We
think...
all... Wait, no, it's fine. You don't have to do it again. You don't have to do it again.
Okay.
We have to do it again, I think. Hold on. Yeah, we do. Okay,
3,
countdown.
2, 1.
Up.
Just fucking
Again.
spam it.
Okay, GTA mission this shit.
No point that you get all at the same time.
Monkeys on typewriters, bro.
There
We got
we
it! You guys go first. You
No,
guys go
the
first.
first... Oh, we can't all do it at the same time. Just keep going without me.
Did you see that, Jack?
Did you see that?
You did it too. You did it too. I did that too.
Haven's fucking dead. How do we fix this thing for Haven? Are you just fucked?
Cheers, Lord's dropping on their
Yeah, stupid bitch.
We all have to do it. Go one at a time.
3.
Alright, path. Alright, the
3.
path will go down from... Wait, no, hold on. We'll go from what my side sees. So Haven first, Yui next, then I'll go. Don't go all once.
Got it.
Go one at a time. Alright. Okay. Haven. Yui. Oh, whoa. We fell down. It's a bit slow there. Alright, Haven. Yui.
Don't immediately... There we go.
Haven! What? You took too long, you dick!
I lagged! What do you mean I took too long?
I would do it myself.
We did it first time! Go! You fucking idiots! Okay, go!
Bruh.
Oh my fucking god. Can we hurry up?
Come on!
Ooh!
Yeah!
I fucking got it!
I
Oh my
first.
fucking god, finally! Teamwork!
Teamwork!
This is not teamwork. This is monkeys and typewriters.
Oh,
for fuck's sake.
no! There's two monkeys.
Go! Eat brain!
Oh
Wait,
shit!
what?
That took
You
too long. What?
fucking morons.
No, we are...
Go.
Me first.
You
Gonna suck. There's that one right in front of you will open.
can't cancel it, I can't drop it on them.
Oh, okay. No, it's
Kill
not as hard as we
Kill
thought it was. Kill yourself.
Dive off.
Okay, I see how it is.
We are so fucking stupid. Okay. Moving on. Okay.
Oh wow, me first. Remember, oh fuck!
I'm gonna get to do this. Yui.
Ugh, fuck.
Nope, I'm good, bro.
Nope, not Jack.
Let's go!
Well, he's going to have to go anyway.
Oh fuck.
Hey,
Come on guys, we got this.
Dream on!
Dreamo!
Someone do it again. I'm gonna see if I can revive you at the bottom.
Okay.
Go. Oh, fuck. You guys knocked me off.
We all jump.
Wait. Keep that on. Oh, keep.
Oh my god.
Oh, damn it. Now, go.
Oh, fuck.
This one fall.
Yui, you fucking bounced. Yo, start him, come.
Same time again. So we have to push it again. I'm fucking killing myself.
Jump off without pistol.
Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna kill myself.
It's not as